Welcome to our channel. If you want to check your flight status on the Delta app easily, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download the Delta app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices if not already installed. Step 2. Open the Delta app on your smartphone and log in with your SkyMiles credentials, or skip login if you prefer to search as a guest. Step 3. On the home screen, locate and tap the Flight Status button, which is usually visible at the top or middle of the screen. Step 4. Enter your flight number in the search field, or alternatively enter your departure and arrival cities to find your flight. Step 5. Tap Search or Go to retrieve the flight information from Delta's database. Step 6. Review the displayed information, including scheduled departure time, arrival time, gate number, terminal, and current status. Step 7. Check for any delays, cancellations, or gate changes that may affect your travel plans. Step 8. Enable notifications in the app settings to receive real-time alerts about any changes to your flight status. This ensures you stay updated throughout your journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.